How to create Eventbrite QR Code 2025 method. If you're planning an event in 2025 and want to make check-ins fast, seamless, and contactless, using Eventbrite's QR codes is an absolute game changer. But here's the catch: most people don't realize how simple it is to generate, customize, and use these codes efficiently. In this video, we're going to walk you through the complete, step-by-step 2025 method for creating Eventbrite QR codes for your events, whether you're hosting a small meetup, a conference, or a large-scale festival. By the end, you'll have the knowledge to streamline registration, improve attendee experience, and even track engagement effortlessly. Let's start with the basics. Eventbrite QR codes are unique digital codes automatically generated for each ticket purchased. Think of them as your event's digital passport. When an attendee buys a ticket, Eventbrite creates a QR code linked specifically to that ticket and attendee. This QR code contains encrypted information about the ticket type, event date, and ticket holder, allowing event organizers to verify attendance instantly. The beauty of QR codes is that they work with any smartphone camera or Eventbrite's mobile scanning app, eliminating the need for printed guest lists or manual check-ins. The first step in creating an Eventbrite QR code is setting up your event. If you haven't already created your event, log into your Eventbrite account and select Create Event. Fill in the essential details: event name, date, location or online if it's a virtual event, and description. Make sure your ticketing setup is accurate because QR codes are tied directly to these tickets. You can create multiple ticket types: general admission, VIP, early bird, and each ticket type will generate its own QR code for the buyer. The platform automatically generates these QR codes upon ticket purchase, but there are a few crucial steps to make them work seamlessly. Next, customize your tickets. In the ticket section of your Eventbrite event, click Edit on the ticket type. Here, you can adjust the quantity, price, and availability. Importantly, you can add custom branding to your tickets. You might include your logo, event theme, or a message for attendees. Even though the QR code itself is system-generated and cannot be altered for security reasons, having a visually appealing ticket can make your QR code more professional and recognizable. Once tickets are set up, the QR codes are automatically included in the confirmation emails sent to attendees after purchase. In 2025, Eventbrite's system makes it easier than ever to provide attendees with digital access. They can view their QR code on the Eventbrite mobile app, download a PDF ticket with the QR code, or even add it directly to Apple Wallet or Google Wallet for easy access at the door. This multi-channel approach ensures your guests always have their QR code ready, reducing the chances of delays or lost tickets. Now let's talk about scanning and verifying QR codes at your event. Eventbrite offers a dedicated organizer app, available on both iOS and Android, designed for smooth check-in experiences. To get started, download the Eventbrite Organizer app and log in using the account that created the event. Once you're in, select the event and navigate to the Check-in tab. Here, you'll find options to scan QR codes using your device's camera or a connected external scanner for high-volume events. One common mistake event organizers make is not testing QR codes before the event. The surprising truth is that a quick pre-event test can save hours of headaches. Before your event starts, simulate check-ins by scanning your own test tickets. Ensure the app recognizes the QR codes, logs attendance correctly, and that the check-in list matches the ticket data. This small step is critical, especially for large events, where even a minor glitch can lead to long lines and frustrated attendees. For events with multiple entry points or high traffic, you can also generate a printable list of QR codes for manual scanning. In the Manage Attendees section of Eventbrite, select Tickets and then download Attendee List. The CSV file includes all ticket information and links to QR codes. You can print the list or display QR codes on tablets at each entrance. This redundancy is particularly helpful for events with unpredictable Wi-Fi or cellular connectivity, ensuring the check-in can continue even if the internet goes down. Let's explore advanced customization options for QR codes in 2025. Eventbrite now allows for branded QR codes in certain premium plans. This means the QR code itself can feature your event logo or a custom color palette. While the core data remains encrypted and secure, visually customizing the QR code helps reinforce your brand and creates a more cohesive experience for attendees. When designing these codes, remember to keep sufficient contrast between the QR code and background to ensure scanners can read it accurately. Avoid overly intricate designs that may interfere with functionality. Another feature to consider is using QR codes for attendee tracking and analytics. Each scan is logged in real time within the Eventbrite Organizer app, giving you instant visibility into who has checked in, what ticket type they purchased, and how many guests remain. You can even export this data after the event for post-event analysis, helping you plan future events, identify peak entry times, or track attendance by ticket type. This capability turns QR codes into more than just a check-in tool. It's a powerful analytics engine. For virtual or hybrid events, QR codes are equally valuable. In addition to physical check-ins, QR codes can be used to verify digital attendance. For example, attendees can present their QR code via a webinar platform, or the QR code can unlock access to exclusive content or networking sessions. This integration ensures a consistent, streamlined experience regardless of whether your event is in person, virtual, or hybrid. Let's walk through the step-by-step process one more time, summarizing the 2025 method for creating Eventbrite QR codes. 1. Log into Eventbrite and create or select your event. 2. Set up ticket types and pricing. 3. Ensure each ticket type is correctly configured for digital delivery. 4. Customize ticket appearance with logos and messaging if desired. 5. Send test tickets to yourself to verify QR codes work on multiple devices and channels. 6. Provide attendees with options to access their QR code via email, app, or digital wallet. 7. Download or print QR codes for backup if needed. 8. Use the Eventbrite Organizer app to scan and track attendance in real time. 9. Review analytics post-event to understand check-in patterns and attendee engagement. A few additional tips to optimize QR code usage in 2025. Encourage attendees to download the Eventbrite app ahead of time. Place clear signage at entrances indicating that QR codes will be used. Have backup power sources and external scanners if you're expecting a large crowd. For multi-day events, validate QR codes daily to prevent double check-in issues. Now, let's discuss common mistakes to avoid. First, don't rely solely on paper tickets. While printing QR codes is an option, digital access ensures faster check-ins and reduces environmental impact. Second, avoid last-minute ticket setup changes. Any change to ticket types after purchases can confuse QR code assignments. Third, always test the scanning process in different lighting conditions. Poor lighting can hinder QR code readability. These small considerations make a significant difference in creating a smooth attendee experience. Finally, why should you use Eventbrite QR codes over other methods in 2025? The truth is, they combine speed, security, and simplicity. Compared to manual check-ins, QR codes reduce human error, eliminate bottlenecks, and allow staff to focus on assisting attendees rather than verifying tickets. Unlike generic QR code generators, Eventbrite's system ties the QR code directly to the ticket and event database, preventing duplication or misuse. Additionally, built-in analytics provide actionable insights that are difficult to replicate with manual systems. In conclusion, creating and using Eventbrite QR codes in 2025 is one of the most effective ways to streamline event check-ins, improve attendee satisfaction, and gain valuable insights. By following the step-by-step process outlined in this video, setting up tickets correctly, testing QR codes, providing digital access options, and using the Organizer app for scanning, you can ensure your event runs smoothly from start to finish. Whether you're a first-time organizer or a seasoned professional, QR codes are no longer optional, they're essential for modern event management. By adopting this method, you'll save time, reduce stress, and provide a professional experience that attendees will appreciate. Take the extra time to customize tickets, test devices, and plan your check-in strategy, and your event will benefit significantly. With Eventbrite QR codes, 2025 is the year of fast, efficient, and tech-savvy events.